Maximizing profit isn't about working harder. It's about understanding the specific levers that drive your bottom line. Most business leaders focus only on top-line revenue, but true profitability comes from a more balanced formula. The first part of the formula is your sales volume. This is the total number of transactions you complete. While increasing this number is the most common goal, it is often the most expensive way to grow because of the marketing costs involved. The second lever is your pricing strategy. Even a small 5% increase in your prices can lead to a significant jump in net profit, as that extra revenue often carries no additional overhead or fulfillment cost. Third, you must look at your variable costs. These are the expenses that go up every time you make a sale, like materials or shipping. Finding ways to reduce these costs even slightly can widen your profit margins across every single order. Next, evaluate your fixed costs. These are your overhead expenses, like rent and salaries, that stay the same regardless of your sales. Keeping these lean ensures that more of your gross profit actually makes it to the bottom line. Another critical factor is your repeat purchase rate. It is far more profitable to sell to an existing customer than to find a new one. Increasing the frequency of orders from your current base is a low-cost way to boost total profit. Think of these elements as a simple equation: volume times price minus your total costs. To maximize the result, you don't necessarily need a massive change in one area. You need small, incremental gains in all of them. For instance, if you increase your price by 3% and decrease your operating expenses by 3%, the combined impact on your take-home profit is much larger than those small numbers suggest. This approach shifts your focus from more to better. Instead of just chasing a higher volume of sales, you are optimizing the business to ensure every transaction is as valuable as possible. Start by auditing your current margins. Identify which products or services have the highest return and focus your resources there. Sometimes, the fastest way to increase profit is to stop offering low-margin services that drain your time. Profitability is also about timing. Reviewing these numbers quarterly allows you to spot trends early. If costs are creeping up or margins are thinning, you can adjust your strategy before it impacts your annual goals. By applying this simple formula, you move away from the stress of constant expansion. You create a business that is not just larger, but more resilient and significantly more rewarding to lead. Please like, share, and subscribe and spread the word.